After watching this video today, you might not visit Subway, McDonald's, or any place that they are selling burger. Hello, creative bangers. Let's clock it together once again. You want to start by adding instant yeast in a bowl, moving with sugar and warm milk. You can substitute warm milk with warm water if you wish. Go ahead and mix till everything is well combined, okay? Once that is done, moving with egg. Egg is totally optional. Then I added vanilla and a pinch of salt. Go ahead and mix to combine very well again. It is time to move in with the flour. Always sift your flour before making use of it, all right? Once that is done, you are going to mix till everything is well combined. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, after mixing, transfer to the work surface. You are going to add either butter or margarine. Continue mixing and kneading till you form a smooth dough. Please take your time and knead properly, okay? Once that is done, you should have this popping cutie dough. Transfer back into your mixing bowl. You are going to cover and keep anywhere warm around your home to prove. 40 minutes later, voila, this is what we have. The dough has doubled in size, as you can see. This can be more or less than 40 minutes, depending on how warm your environment is, okay? Now you are going to knead again for a few seconds. Then go ahead and cut into the pieces that you'll be working with. Cut in any sizes that you prefer, all right? Now, once that is done, you are going to form a ball with each of the dough, okay? You are going to first feed it in, then make a smooth ball as demonstrated, okay? You should have something like this. Go ahead and repeat the same process with the other ones. You should have these balls looking at you right here. Okay, now you are going to cover so that it doesn't dry up while you work on it one after the other. I pick up one, then I dust the work surface with some flour, place the dough, arrange in a way that it will be easier for me to roll. Moving with the rolling pin, start rolling to flatten the dough. Now, there is only one way to roll this particular recipe, okay? You are going to roll in a round shape, okay? Once that is done, you are going to point at the center, okay? As a beginner, I will advise you do this. Then make a cut. You can make this cut at any part of the dough, okay? Once that is done, go ahead and start rolling. Or should I say folding? Okay. I hope you are seeing what is going on here. You are going to fold as demonstrated till you get to the end. Once you get to the end, make sure that you arrange properly as demonstrated. Then you are going to cover as demonstrated on the video. Okay, once you cover, you can leave it just the way it is, or towards the end you can push it back. This is just to make a design, okay? It is not that necessary. You should have this cutie. Go ahead and repeat the same process with the other ones. Beautiful shout out to you, Janet, watching from Malaysia, Marceline from Cameroon, Zita from UK, Dunamis watching from Akure, Nigeria, and Brenda all the way from Trinidad and Tobago. Whoops. Oh, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? All right, I continue with the same process. Once I'm done, go ahead and arrange in a baking pan as demonstrated. Cover and allow to proof for the second time. 30 minutes later, voila, it has doubled in size again. Okay, at this point, you can brush with a beaten egg before baking, but I choose to bake just the way it is. I bake in a preheated oven for 30 minutes and there you have it. It turned out so well. Just look at that. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. I'm loving it. Do you love the shape? Okay, now you can go ahead and enjoy as a snack, or you can enjoy with tea, coffee, or with any beverage of your choice. Now let's take it to another level. I divide into 2 equal parts, moving with any spread of your choice. I added some mayo. Now we've got some lettuce in the refrigerator. I added some lettuce, moving with some cucumber, some fresh tomatoes, and some boiled eggs. Feel free to add any filling of your choice. Go ahead and enjoy. Trust me, it was more than a banger. This was yummy, super delicious. If you are with me at this moment, type little Subway at the comment section. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.